Today's sponsor is Shift Vapes, so thank you, Shift. And Callaway, don't forget Callaway. Beautiful view this morning. Madame's extremely busy on her smart device managing the businesses. She's discussing things with the collectors today. There's quite a few people around the Philippines that have motorbikes that are trying to hide them. She's paused for a minute to brush her beautiful 4-foot-long hair, well nourished. Rapunzel, Rapunzel.
Bring down your hair.
Bring down your hair, Rapunzel. Climb into your castle in your chambers, and there's your British accent coming out. Should the British character be in the vlog, you think? We need a British guy, because we already have Stuttering Steve. I mean, Stuttering Sean, sorry. Your hair is so beautiful. Whoever the owner of Rusi actually is, if you get this message, one of my dying wishes in the Philippines is to meet you and have you as my tour guide. I have no idea how you did this. You literally have a business in every single corner of every single place in this entire country. And not only that, you have a network of collectors that know every back street, side street, house, and family within this area. Whoever you are, you're a legend. Madame is very busy collecting those bikes payments this morning. That's good. Just another tequila sunrise. Honey across the sky as the days roll by. Trusty friend up here in the tree. What's he doing, Maria?
Doing coconut juice.
Ah.
You know what's coconut juice? You can taste that when we get to Malamuyo. You want to taste coconut juice? Like the red one or the white one? Oh, interesting.
Say hi to the vlog, guys. Here we have our trusty puppy that just finished licking his balls. Good job, buddy. Stay clean. Get yourself a morning stretch in. See you later. Our trusty jogger this morning, while Maria reenacts jogging. Doing a quick morning stretch. Tricycle coming in hot. Aww. Those are great. We have a tree of bats. Oh, that's so cool, huh?
We're just having fun.
Oh. Madame and I fresh up from a multi-hour nap. It's almost like we got hit with a stone in the head. Over here, we're making it. We're on our way to eat, and then we're off to Madame's family's house. She's looking lost and confused like a small animal in the wild.
We'll get back here after we...
No. Going back in the hotel to actually grab the helmets. Aw, the rice is shaped like a cute little heart. We can go like this and break the heart in half. Oh. Just say after your nap, Madame. And there you have it. Less is more. The viewers are hanging on to every last of Madame's words. Bringing me toys? Like sugar. You're flipping eggs? Oh my gosh. Us. My BFF. Okay. We're not quite sure what it is. It looks like
Moon.
a moon. Oh, there's your moon. Question is, how many times do I need to tell you I don't want any more toys, Trisha? Huh? Here's Madame managing her 105 businesses. She started 10 new businesses today alone online. She's been extra busy. And she took a nap too. I mean, very productive. Absolutely incredible. What's that?
Name.
Todd.
Your daddy. Yours name. Yours name.
You guys are on the vlog.
Yeah.
You guys are on the vlog right now.
Just drinking.
Hi. Oh. Ow. Eee, there. Oh, we still got you. Oh. Oh.
Boy.
That's us? Oh my gosh. Look how good we look. Aww. Oh. Oh. Gotcha. We're just here. Madame has changed for her 4th time today. Amen. And we're going straight back to the hotel on a motorbike ride, and she made sure to put her lipstick on for the ride. Just making sure she's looking fabulous. Here's Madame managing her 105 businesses. She started 10 new businesses today alone online. She's been extra busy. And she took a nap too. I mean, very productive. Absolutely incredible.